Hi there, welcome to our monthly essential oil tips and facts. We're going to share some interesting information with you this month, so stay tuned. Each month I'll share a essential oil diffuser recipe. This month I'm going to share two. This month we're going to focus on back to school type stuff. So here's our recipe for this month. The first diffuser recipe that I'm going to share, you're going to get an essential oil diffuser if you don't have one already. Put your water in, and then you're going to add 1 drop of basil, 2 drops of cypress, and 2 drops of rosemary. And especially rosemary and basil are very good for mental clarity and to help you think and stuff. So whether you're working at home or you have kids that are working at home, this is a great thing to diffuse to help everyone to think their best. The supplement for this month that we're focusing on is called Super Vitamin D. Who doesn't need a super boost of sunshine? With our proprietary formula and delivery system, Young Living's plant-based Super D is highly absorbable, vegan-friendly, and completely synthetic-free. It's dissolvable in a delicious mixed berry flavor tablet. So Super Vitamin D is a super source of vitamin D that helps support bone growth and healthy muscle. So the benefits include vegan-friendly, supports a healthy respiratory system, it's easy to take on the go, helps boost healthy immune systems, helps support bone growth and healthy muscles, supports calcium balance and bone growth, and it is free of gluten, nuts, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, and shellfish. So vitamin D plays a key function in respiratory health, and through its innate and adaptive defense mechanisms, it supports the body's respiratory immune system. A great essential oil blend to use at home or when your kids are doing homework is called Genius. Genius was formulated to increase alertness and creativity with an inspiring, stimulating, and invigorating aroma that promotes feelings of inspiration and productivity. You can use this blend for a focusing aroma that helps kids concentrate on projects and stay on tasks. This is a great blend to add a roller filament to and put on your kids' backpack so they can use it during class or study sessions. You can apply it to the back of their neck or on their wrists while they're studying or at school or at home, and during the afternoon to improve clarity to finish the day strong. You can also try applying a few drops to a diffuser jewelry, your kids' clothing, or even their socks. Many of the oils in Genius are high in sesquiterpenes. Sesquiterpenes are a classification of essential oil constituents. They have a lighter aroma and have been studied exclusively for their influence on the brain and memory. Another great essential oil diffuser blend to use this time of year, whether you're schooling at home or your kids go to school and come home and do homework, or you just are working at home and need to focus on things better. This one is 3 drops of Stress Away, which is a Young Living essential oil blend, 3 drops of frankincense, and 1 drop of lemon. And you put these in the water in your essential oil diffuser. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions or anything else that you might want to know. Take care and have a great day.